Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of eating red tomato pasta? Try this famous Italian dish with its silky, smooth and aromatic sauce made from butter, milk and all-purpose flour. It's a guaranteed way to delight your taste buds. So without further ado, let's get started. Heat a pan. Add water for boiling pasta. Salt 1 tablespoon. Add salt. Oil 1 tablespoon. Add oil. Adding oil prevents pasta from sticking together. Whole wheat pasta 400 grams. Add pasta. Keep it on a medium flame and boil for 15 minutes. So the whole wheat pasta is boiled. Check whether it is cooked by breaking a piece of pasta. Now remove it into a strainer and immediately pour cold water on it so that the pasta is not overcooked. Now keep it aside. Heat a pan. Butter 4 tablespoons. Add butter. Keep it on a low flame and let the butter melt completely. All-purpose flour or maida 4 tablespoons. Add maida. Add it in small amounts and stir it continuously. Mix it well so that no lumps are formed. Milk 200 to 300 ml. Add milk in small amounts. Stir it continuously without getting burnt and to form a smooth paste without lumps. Repeat the process of adding milk and stirring it continuously. Keep it on a low flame. Red chili flakes 1 tablespoon. Add red chili flakes. If you don't have red chili flakes, then you can grind some dried red chili flakes. If you want the sauce to be a bit spicy, then you can add 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes. Salt as required. Sprinkle salt. Pepper 1 tablespoon. Sprinkle the black pepper powder. Keep it on a low flame and stir it continuously for a minute. So the white sauce is ready. It must be of this consistency, similar to a slurry. So keep the sauce aside, we will use it later. Heat a pan. Olive oil 4 tablespoons. Add oil. By adding olive oil, the pasta becomes very tasty. Finely chopped garlic 2 tablespoons. Add garlic. Saute. Keep it on a low flame. 1 medium finely chopped onion. Add onions. Keep it on a medium flame and saute. Cook till the onions are soft. 2 carrots cut in cube size. Add carrots. I'm adding carrots first as they take much time to cook. Saute. 4 green chilies diagonally cut. Add green chilies. Saute. French beans as required. You can add any veggies as required, such as capsicum, sweet corn or broccoli. Keep it on a medium flame and saute. Green peas half cup. Add green peas. You can try any various colorful mixture of vegetables. Especially kids love this white sauce pasta. Saute. Salt as required. Add salt. Add salt accordingly as we added salt earlier in the white sauce. Saute. I took 2 tomatoes and de-seeded them. Add tomatoes. Just look at the colorful mixture of the veggies, guys. You can use green, red or yellow capsicum as well. Mix them well. Cook the veggies for 5 minutes on a low flame. So our veggies became soft and are well cooked. Now add the white sauce that we kept aside earlier. White sauce when cooled becomes thick. Add some milk to reduce the thickness of the sauce. Keep it on a low flame and mix all the ingredients well. Black pepper powder, add 1 tablespoon. Powder. Salt as required. Add salt. By adding more spices, it doesn't taste bland. Now it's time to add the boiled pasta. Mix the pasta well with all the ingredients. At this point, add some milk. You can add some mayonnaise or cheese as well. Keep it on a low flame and let it cook for 2 minutes. So our tasty and mouth-watering white sauce pasta is ready. It is very delicious when served hot. So guys, definitely try this recipe. I'm sure that you will love it. If you like this recipe, please do share your views in the comment section below. And do suggest the recipes that you wanna try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. And do follow me on Instagram for more updates.